makes fireworks explode. When two substances meet, they sometimes react. They might start to fizz or change to create something new. This is called a chemical reaction. Some chemical reactions produce explosions. The beautiful explosions of color we see in fireworks are made by chemical reactions. Colors. Fireworks have metal chemicals added to them so they glow different colors. Lithium produces red fireworks and sodium salts create yellow ones. Making a bang. Fire traveling through a firework causes chemical reactions inside it. These reactions create the explosions people enjoy watching. 1. The fuse is lit. It burns slowly until it reaches a first small amount of gunpowder. 2. The gunpowder explodes, releasing enough energy to launch the firework into the air. 3. The firework burns until the fire reaches the main chamber, which contains gunpowder mixed with metal chemicals. 4. When the fire reaches the gunpowder, there is a huge explosion of heat, light, and color. Where else do we see chemical reactions? Apple turning brown. The insides of an apple start to turn brown in a chemical reaction with oxygen in the air. Metal rusting. Iron reacts with water and oxygen in the air to make a reddish-brown substance called rust. Look forward to more scientific info on the Encyclopedia channel. Bye-bye.